Okay, so, oh, it just came over. I just now, at the very last minute of the day, get an email from Demetria about my repairs. So let's see. She absolutely waited till the last minute so that I could not. And all it says is repairs will start in your unit at 8 a.m. Monday morning. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Where? In the kitchen? In the living room? In the bathroom? So I'm supposed to work off memory, I guess. Yikes. She's gotten short with me because she's pissed off at me because I've got her by the shorts on procedure because she's not following procedures. But well, so I waited all day, and that's all I got was repairs will begin Monday morning at 8 a.m. Great. Thank you, Demetria D. Barchi. So I said, great, thanks. Kitchen? Question mark. Living room? Question mark. Shall I wait till Monday to find out? Question mark. Really not a true warning of what to expect. I was hoping for a little more guidance, but I'll just wing it and pray for the best. Signed, Jim Matthew, Unit 107. I'm really getting tired of being extremely polite. So anyway, she waited until 5 o'clock closing time to send me that short, testy email because she knew I would respond. And I knew it was going to wait until 5 o'clock to send that email. Nice. Very nice job, Demetria. Great manager. Great, great manager. Going up on YouTube.